Go live. Are we in? Hello, everyone. Whoa. That just blew my mind. Journey with KT. First Kahoot, then Scratch. Preposterous. Scandalous. But okay. Yeah. Alright, everyone. Hello. My name is Mr. Jengis. Welcome to another coding live streams. How do you guys hear me? Do you guys hear me okay? I'm doing my things. Boom, boom, boom. Yes. Friends, today we are finishing our interactive map. Let me write all this stuff up here. Yes. Okay. Journey with KT had a great idea to start with a Kahoot today. I'm down. I think that's a great idea. But let's welcome people. Welcome to the coding live stream. Bam, 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 bam. Mr. Jengis here. And friends, remember, today we are finishing the interactive map project on Scratch. So friends, if you were not here last week, that's totally fine. If you didn't do part 1, that's totally fine. I will give you the code. So you'll all be caught up. There won't be any problems with that. Fiona says that she can't hear me. Okay, let's test this out. Yeah, I might need to do something like this. Hold on. How about now? Can you hear me now? It's the volume. How about now, Fiona? Can you hear me now? Journey with KT can hear me. Okay. Oh. Maybe I'm louder now, hopefully. And remember, friends, what's going to happen is when I click on a green flag, we have Shanghai right here. If I click on the city of Shanghai, I'm going to get some information about that city. And then I'm going to do Hong Kong too. Probably going to do Beijing. Yeah, Fiona, okay. And I might do some other cities in China, I'm not sure. But you can do whichever country that you want to do, and you can do whichever city you want in that country. But first, an amazing idea, friends. Let's do the Kahoot first. Today, we're doing Kahoot first. You know what? I think it's pretty cool. Thank you, Journey, for making that suggestion. We're doing Kahoot first, friends. So I see 3 of you in the live stream right now. Let's do the Kahoot first to get it over with, and then we can mess around with the map that we have. All right. And friends, as always, remember that this live stream is being recorded. Say hi to YouTube in the chat. And friends, also remember to like and subscribe, please. Hi, YouTube. Yeah. Okay, so friends, I'm gonna give you the link that you gotta go to join the game. It's called Kahoot.it. And once you are there, The pin number is gonna be 522 2455. Bam. Maybe I should do a different song. Let's try this. I like the 80s vibe. Whoa! Hello, Melissa. Yes, today we're doing the Kahoot first. Fiona is here. You can see the pin number on my screen. The link is in the chat. This Kahoot will be about the most beautiful places in the world. Once we are done with this, we'll get back into the Scratch project that we started last week. Hi, Melissa. Yeah, friends, don't forget to like and subscribe. No, I mean, don't forget to like and subscribe. And you can register for online classes at www.codespeaklabs.com/register. Hi, Fiona-chan. Fiona, you are Bob. You are Bob. The Queen has arrived. Well, 3 people so far. I don't like that one. What about trance? Maybe 8-bit. I'll put the information up first. The link, yeah, I know. The link is kahoot.it, and the pin number is 522 2455. Melissa says the Queen is meh. Good to know. Yeah, is the other Fiona here? Alright, friends. I think I'm gonna get started in 5. I'll get started in 4. I'll get started in 3. No, not yet. Oh, okay. Maybe we can do a different Kahoot at the end again once we finish. 2. And let me actually delete all this stuff. Yes. And 0. Okay, guys, we're getting started. I'm clicking on start. Okay. Beautiful places around the world. So last week we did a Kahoot about countries, but this time this is the most beautiful places from around the world. Where in the world can you find the Taj Mahal? Oh, wow, that was fast. Yes, India is where you can find the Taj Mahal. All right. Where in the world is this? Oh, my full name is James Marvett. Oh man. It says Cyprus right here, friends. Maybe I can... I don't know. A little bit bigger or something. Yes, Greece was the correct answer. Friends, let me actually make myself a little bit smaller here, huh? Okay, no, that works. All right. Okay, this is a double points question. Where is supposedly the best place to see the Northern Lights? You get double points for getting this question right. Did you know you can totally Google? It's allowed. But you might lose some time while Googling it. Nice, you can see all of it. Yes, Norway is the best place to see the Northern Lights. Antarctica is at the South Pole, so you can't see the Northern Lights from the South Pole. Ooh. Okay, double points again. Which city pops up if you search for the City of Love? And if you don't know, you can take a guess, or you can look this up. You can search this City of Love. And just in case people need it, the PIN number is 52224. Paris! That's right. Paris is the City of Love. It's supposed to be really romantic. I don't know. I've never been to Paris. Has anyone ever been to Paris? Nice. Okay, double points again. What is this romantic town in Italy called? Yes, right here. This town has a lot of colorful houses and buildings. Okay, I'm gonna try to read this, guys. All right, Vernazza and Cinque-Terre. Vernazza and Cinque-Terre. Which is a really cool place, apparently. If you look it up, it's a very nice beach town. Hi, April. Yes, Cinque-Terre is an Italian region on UNESCO's World Heritage List. It consists of 5 villages that are nestled into the cliffs along the water: Monterosso al Mare, Vernazza, Corniglia, Manarola, and Rio Maggiore. Alright, pretty cool. Yeah, if you look it up, Cinque-Terre is a really cool town in Italy with really colorful buildings and nice beaches. And yeah. All right, where in the world can you spot this Hindu temple? It's this Hindu temple. Where in the world do you think you can find it? Man. April, I think you just came in. If you still want to join the game, the PIN number is in the chat. Anybody know? Oh wow, Bali, Indonesia. It's a cool temple. It's like an island. Fiona, it's okay. It's okay. I don't know the answer to most of these, to be honest. Okay, double points. Where in the world? Where in the world can you find this beautiful bridge? That looks familiar. Huh. For some reason, that kind of looks familiar. Let me pin this to the top in case more people wanna pin. Oh wow, we got 4 answers now. Yes, friends, if you want to join, the pin is in the chat. It's pinned to the pin is pinned to the top. Whoa. Yeah. And friends, fun fact. I live here. Yes, I live in New York City, USA, and I believe this is a bridge in Central Park. I'm not exactly sure though. All right, next question. Yeah, I think so. Hi, April. Double points again. Double points. All right. In which Italian city can you get a boat ride on one of several very famous canals? Yeah, this Italian city, you can just get a boat ride anywhere. It's as if there are no roads, but there are canals or rivers going through the city. Where is this city? You actually have to type it out and put it in. Yeah, on the Kahoot, you type it out. Which city is this? Which Italian city can you get a boat and ride on several famous canals throughout the street? It's kind of like getting, instead of getting a taxi or an Uber, you get a boat. Oh, today is Pride Month. Or this month is Pride Month. Hi, Nava. Maybe we should do like a Pride Month activity too. Somewhere in Italy. All right, wow, we got 4 answers already. Is there a 5th person who joined in? Okay, let's see. Venezia, Venice, London, Paris. All right, so yeah, okay. Venice is the correct answer. Venezia might be the Italian way of writing Venice. Venus or Venus, nope, those are not gonna work out. But Venice is the correct answer. Nice. We got that right. Boom, Alyssa got that right. And Journey with KD got that right. Yeah, that was a big one. No, says Fiona. Okay. This amazing place is known for their hot air balloons. Where in the world is this? Oh, Venice is a city. Is a city in Italy. I've never been, but it's kind of got like rivers instead of streets. Know what I mean? Like instead of catching a taxi or an Uber, you catch a canoe. Can I catch a boat? It reminds me of that movie Waterworld. But yes. Oh yeah. Huh. Wow, did you guys look this up? How did you know this? Yes, Göreme, Turkey is where there are these like ancient towers. These are man-made towers that people used to live in, and you can actually jump on these hot air balloons and check them out from the top in Göreme, Turkey. Oh, wow. Okay, so I need $3 million. Okay. All right, the queen is at the top right now, but we still have 5 more questions. Okay, in which country can you spot this amazing castle? I have no idea. Oh, no, that's right. You won $3 million in the last Kahoot. Let me get the checkbook. Fiona, don't give up. Or at least try to throw other people off. Oh wow, that's Germany. Cool. Boom. All right, you gotta sort these things. All right, sort these landmarks from shortest to tallest. We got the Eiffel Tower. We got the Little Mermaid. I don't know what that is, in Copenhagen. We got the Colosseum in Rome. That's pretty tall. And then we had the La Sagrada Familia in Barcelona, Spain. You have some time to look these things up, but I didn't give you that much time. I would just take a guess. Yes, the Eiffel Tower maybe should go in the middle. I definitely think La Sagrada Familia is the tallest here. I think so. So I would rate this. Let me hold up. I just opened up Zoom by accident. No. I would say this is the first from shortest to tallest. So I would put the Little Mermaid first. Colosseum second, Eiffel Tower third, La Sagrada Familia fourth. I'm not sure. The Eiffel Tower might be the tallest one too. What was it? The correct order is the Little Mermaid is the first. Oh wow. The Eiffel Tower is the biggest tower of them all. Boom. Now, how do you have the most best? Oh man, how do I copy this? You guys have the oh no, did I do something? No. You guys have the best emojis. I support you too. And more hearts, bliss. Okay. All right. Let's get back into the Kahoot. Oh wow. Okay. Looks like the queen is still the queen. Journey with KT is very close in second place, and then it's Alyssa, Fiona, and then April. Wow. Nice rainbow. All right, let's go to the next one. Next, okay, which country would you like to visit the most? I guess New York is not a country though, but you can say USA. Ooh. Hot in here. Wow, like everybody said Italy. Interesting. All right, which place is known for their floating resorts, endless beaches, and turquoise water? floating resorts. I want to go here. Right? Oh, wow. Yes, if people want to join in, just FYI, guys, you can still join in the game. I know we only have a few questions left. And we will get to the Scratch project really soon. Remember last time we started the interactive map? This time I wanted to start with Kahoot and then we can finish the coding project. The Maldives was the correct answer. Let me look up the Maldives. Nice. Oh yeah. Yep. Each one has a pool as well. And then you go all the way over there and it's like a little pool over there. Oh. Or you can eat inside an aquarium, basically. Cool. All right. All right, let's go on to the next question. Oh, wow. Okay. Nice. Thank you, Nava. Yeah. Nava says, when I become a singer, I'll send you $50,000, Mr. Jengis. And Melissa says, I want to become a singer too. Nava, I would expect more money, to be honest with you. $50,000, maybe. I just want... Thank you, Nava. I just want 1 Bitcoin. That's all. Hi, Alexis. Hello, Alexis. All right. Oh, wow. Yes. Journey with KT is in first place now. Alyssa went up to third place, and Alyssa is on fire, everyone. Okay. Which romantic movie was set in the Wicklow Mountains in Ireland? Okay. So, this romantic movie was set in the Wicklow Mountains in Ireland. Hi, Abby. Hello, Alexis. Guys, is it summer yet? How'd you guys know that? Yes, the correct answer was P.S. I Love You. I've never seen a movie. Has anybody watched P.S. I Love You? Yes, Alexis. Oh, with Hillary Swank. Oh. Okay. All right, friends. Hi. Okay, all right, friends. Let's check out the podium. Last time, it was the first place was between Journey with KT and Queen, and other stuff was happening. All right. Third place goes to Alyssa. Congratulations, Alyssa. Second place goes to the Queen. And first place goes to Journey with KT. Fourth place is Fiona, and fifth place is April. Congrats, guys! Congrats, everyone! GG! Oh, wow. Okay. Alright. Wow. Most of you wanted to go to Italy in this Kahoot poll. Oh, that's all right, Alexis. We might have some time to do more Kahoots right after this. Maybe we'll go back to an old one. But friends, go ahead and go to Scratch, everyone. And open your projects from last week. Yes, you gotta open your projects from last week. And friends, if you were not here last week, or maybe your code is not complete or it's not working exactly, I'll give you Scratch, the link for the the link for the project as well. Well, Fiona, you win some, you lose some, you know. I think what's cool about Kahoot though, it gives you like a first place and a second place and a third place and a fourth place and a fifth. Oh, you weren't able to join last week? Well, you are in luck, because I have the link right here. Yes. If you weren't here last week, you can remix this project and catch up. So basically, I'll be continuing from this project that you're seeing in the chat. Just click on that link, and once you do, replace pinned. Once you click on that link, you'll see something like remix or share. You'll see a remix button somewhere over here. It'll say remix. And once you remix, click on that remix button, it's going to be green. Once you click on that remix button, you'll be able to see the code inside, and you can change whatever you want about the code inside. So actually, friends, let me put that link in here too. So see, and I'll put, go to this link right here. And friends, remix. Once you go to that link, it's in the chat as well. You're gonna click on remix. Remix. Whoa. Melissa, only 6 liked? Now it's back down to 5. Oh, Alexis, you forgot to save your project. Oh, it's in the chat. You can click on that link and do China with me. Oh, okay. Yeah, this is super sus. 11 viewers, but only 5 likes. Yeah, friends, please. Yes, right here, right? Yes, like and subscribe. So at below, you'll see a button to like and subscribe. It's like a thumbs up thing. And friends, you can also check out our summer online coding classes in www.codespeaklabs.com/register. It's this way. The website is that way, and the like and subscribe is this way. Whoop, whoop, whoop. All right, everyone. Let's see inside. And actually, just in case, all right. Now I'm getting into the project. Okay, I'm getting into the project, but I swear I will have a Pride themed project this month. At least one. That is a Jenghis promise. This is a new feature from Jenghis. It's a Jenghis promise. I swear I will do a Pride project before the end of this month for Pride Month. Right? I think that would be cool. I'm thinking a rainbow heart. I'm not sure. Okay, all right. I'm gonna click on see inside, friends. The link. I can keep the link up here actually. I'll keep the link up here at all times so you can look at it if you need to type it in or something. Oh, actually, let me delete all this stuff in here. Whew. Okay. And I'm starting by coding sprite 1. I'm gonna rename, you can actually rename your sprites, guys, which is kind of cool. I'm gonna rename to the city. So that means instead of sprite 1, I'm gonna write Shanghai. Yeah, Fiona, that's why if you go to the top of the chat, it's pinned up there. The link, you can click on that link and remix that project so that you have the same code as me right now. Yeah, so far, there is no code really, right? We only have this thing called define, show, province, city, population, and interesting fact. Now, I think I want to talk about how I got that code. So what I did was I clicked on make a block, friends. So this is how you make a block in Scratch. Just like these other blocks, you can make your own block. You can give it a name. And you know how some of these blocks, they have input, you can write hello in here and you can write a number in here. For the blocks that you create as well, you can have inputs like province, city, population, interesting fact, or so forth. So friends, for this one, actually under the define block here, we're gonna start adding some code. Let me delete all this stuff. All right, friends, for this one, we're gonna actually need to make a list. Boom, make a list. Yeah, so go to variables, make a list. Yeah, click on that button that says make a list. All right, thanks for watching, Alexis. Yeah, guys, if you don't want to follow along, if you want to do something else, that's totally fine. Just watching this video can give you some ideas about how you want to create your own projects once you get on Scratch. All right, so I'll click on make a list as well. And the new list, the name of this list is going to be city. This list is listing all the items about the city of Shanghai. Make a list, check it twice, name it city. So I have a list here called city. And then I'm gonna make sure that what this block does is first it deletes everything inside city. And then it adds some items to city. To be frank, 4 items. And friends, inside operators, there is a thing called a join. I'm gonna put these in here, just like so. So let me take a step back. First, I added delete all of city 1. Ooh. First, I added delete all of city 1, and then I added the same block 4 times. I need to make this even smaller. The thing block is 4 times, again and again and again. Oof, that looks kind of weird. If I make this a bit smaller. That's okay. So friends, you made, by Alexis, so you made a list. You click on make a list, call it city, and then now you can add these blocks. Delete all of city is right here. And add a thing to city is right here. We're gonna add thing to city 4 times. Instead of thing though, instead of the bubble where it says thing, we're actually gonna put in a join block. It says join apple banana. That's what we're looking for. So join apple banana goes inside each of the bubbles that says thing in it. Cool. All right. Then for each one of these, I'm gonna write what the word is, what the information will be. So this information will be province. This information will be the name of city. And I'm adding a space after it so that when the next word comes in, there's a little bit of space between this city, the word city, and whatever the name of the city is. So, and we got population next. What must be what's the population of Shanghai? Interesting fact. Awesome. So friends, I'm doing this so that I can add these blocks right here at the top, these pink blocks. You can actually use them inside the definition of the block. This is gonna make a lot more sense, I think, when we use it. But for now, just remember that we're putting all of these things from the definition of the block. How is that looking? Whoa, I can zoom in even more. Yeah, so province, I grabbed it from there and put it right here. City, I grabbed it from there, put it right here. Same with population, same with interesting fact. Nice. All right. Next up, friends, let's zoom out a little bit. So we're gonna add all this stuff to the information, to the list, and then we're gonna show it. Again, inside the variables, there's a thing called show list, hide list. I want this to show the list. Wait a few seconds. Oops. Maybe, let's say, 5 seconds. And then hide the list. These two blocks, show list and hide list, are at the very, very end of the variables category. Show list city and hide list city after waiting 5 seconds. Sweet. That's it. All we have to do now is actually use this block. I want to use this block when I click on Shanghai. Shanghai is a sprite. So when I click on this sprite, when this sprite is clicked, maybe I can put this right here. When this sprite is clicked, actually show. All right, this is where I need you all's help. Population 26.3 million. 26.3 million. That's crazy. Abby, how big is New York? New York is 8 million. Los Angeles is, I believe, 5 million. That's a huge, huge city. Okay, but first, okay, that's good to know. The third information is the population. So friends, I'm trying to add population here for Shanghai. This is gonna be interesting fact. And then I'm also gonna need province and also city. Yeah, I think I know the name of the city. The name of the city is Shanghai. Thank you, Abby, for giving me the population. I need province of Shanghai. What province is it in? So it looks like China, the country, is divided into many different regions, kind of like states. But which province is Shanghai from? Oh, should I look it up? Province of Shanghai. Oh. I think it's just Shanghai. Oh, this is kind of hard to find. I think it's just Shanghai. Okay, interesting. All right. What would be an interesting fact for Shanghai? So the last input in here is going to be the interesting fact. So it's from the province Shanghai, the city of Shanghai, 26 million something people. And what would be an interesting fact about Shanghai? So I'm just going to actually search for interesting facts about Shanghai. 10 things you should know. Oh wow. Shanghai is the world's largest city. Boom. I think that's an interesting fact right there. I'm gonna put that in. The largest city in the world. And that makes sense, right? 26 million. That's a lot of people. A lot of people. Am I right? All right, friends, I'm gonna test this out. So I click on Shanghai and I see this right here. But you see, it's cut off. So let's try it one more time. Make the list wider by grabbing from the 2 dots over here, guys. So let me actually remove this and make this bigger. So friends, if sometimes the list looks like this. Yeah, friends, if you look at my screen right now, you'll see that, yeah, some of the information is showing, but it's getting clipped. The city list needs to be displayed a lot wider. So you can actually grab it from the 2 dots, the 2 lines maybe, right here, and pull it so that it covers the most of the screen. I would cover the whole of the screen. And once you do that, click on a green flag, and then, oh yeah, let me click right here. And then let me click on Shanghai. I click on Shanghai. All right, province in Shanghai, city Shanghai, population this much. Interesting fact. What was interesting fact? The largest city in the world. After 5 seconds, it closes on its own. Boom. Okay. So the cool thing about making our own blocks, guys, is we can do the same thing for a different city. How should I do this? Whoa, Jaden is here. Hi, Jaden. Jaden, if you look at the top of the chat, I think it should be at the top of the chat. There's a link that you can catch up with if you want. You just click on that link, remix it, and you'll have the same code that I have. All right, friends, so I'm going to duplicate it. Yes. In case you haven't done this before, this is very useful. You can duplicate Shanghai by right-clicking on it with the mouse, if you have a right-clicking mouse. Or if you're on a Chromebook, you'll do a peace sign and click on the sprite with the 2-finger peace sign, and you'll get something like this. Duplicate, export, or delete. Don't delete! Don't export either. Click on duplicate. So I have 2 Shanghais now. And you know what? This definition of the block, I don't need it in this Shanghai 2. Oh, maybe I do need it. Okay. But what I do need is actually to change the position of it. Make it move maybe right here. And if I go to the costumes, actually, let me put this in steps. So first, 1, duplicate first city. 2, go to costumes. And then 3, edit city name. So yeah, this thing right here, you're gonna edit that thing. Bam, boom. Exactly, Abby. Yeah, if somebody has a test about China in general, they can go on Scratch and they can use the information on Scratch from my app. Or they can make their own app. That could be cool too. Alright, this is gonna be Hong Kong. Hong Kong right there. Somewhere over there. Boom. So friends, yes, first duplicate the first city. So it says Shanghai 2, but change everything that says Shanghai to the name of the new city. This is gonna be about Hong Kong. So when you click on this, Hong Kong, you're gonna get information about Hong Kong. Nice. All right, let's go back to the code then. Now I gotta change some code in here too. Instead of Shanghai, this is the Hong Kong province. The city is also called Hong Kong. What is the population of Hong Kong? And what is an interesting fact? Anybody? Anybody? Population and interesting fact. I don't know either. Population of Hong Kong. 7.5 million. Okay. Hong Kong is actually less than New York. Interesting. What was it? Sorry. 7.5 million. 7.5 million. Oh wow. Abby just came through with a really cool interesting fact. Hong Kong means fragrant harbor. Wow. Hong Kong is definitely a place for trade, and they have a lot of places where ships can be loaded with goods to be sent everywhere. So maybe spices or other kinds of things too. That's interesting. I did not know that. Okay, let's try this out. I click on Shanghai. I get this information right here. Largest city in the world. Great. I click on Hong Kong. I get information about Hong Kong. Hong Kong means fragrant harbor. I didn't know that. Now I do. Shanghai, Hong Kong. Shanghai, Hong Kong. So I got 2 different buttons here, essentially. And when I click on each, the display information is different. If I wait long enough, it goes away on its own. Journey with KT. Wow. 7.5 million miles to Hong Kong. Wow. Okay. At Journey with KT. Send me your username. The chat doesn't allow links, unfortunately. Yeah, friends, if you want to send me your username, I can check out your finished project. Friends, we have about 5 minutes. I'm gonna duplicate this Hong Kong and actually make this one in Beijing. And go to the costumes of this second Hong Kong and change this to Beijing. Yeah, friends, if you want to share your Scratch username with me in the chat, I can find your projects that way. If you want me to check out your projects, links I cannot do, unfortunately. Beijing. All right, okay. So Beijing is in the Beijing province. I don't know if I have time to look this up. It's the city of Beijing. Oof. What's the population of Beijing? 21.5 million. Interesting. Hong Kong is a lot smaller than Shanghai and Beijing. Combined, Beijing and Shanghai is 40 something million. Craziness. All right. What's an interesting fact about Beijing? About Beijing. What? I had no idea. Beijing, thanks Abby, is one of, oof, I spelled is wrong, is one of the bicycle capitals of the world. Nice. All right, let's test this out. Let me delete all of my things. I'll click on Beijing. Province Beijing, city Beijing, population this much. Beijing is one of the bicycle capitals in the world. Is that true? Beijing bicycle. Sorry, Fiona, I could not slow down because I'm running out of time. We have 2 minutes left. But you see, I've shared. If you click on the link at the top again, you'll be able to see the finished code inside that project. I saved and I shared, I'm sure. Now I can say this is completed. And this is an interactive China map. Interactive map of China. I only did 3 cities, friends. You can do 5, you can do 6, you can do 10. I don't know. You can tour on the Great Wall of China in Beijing. Beijing is also the capital. No, what, friends? This is just making me want to go to Beijing. This is fact right now. Let me look at these. I love bicycling. But I guess people bike a lot over there, huh? Wow. They bike in groups, man. I want to kind of check this out. Beijing, Great Wall of China. Whoa. That would be cool to go. A bit hilly, though. I'm gonna say. It's a bit hilly. Seems like tiring, unless you can take a Segway and with wheels up that thing. I don't know. Okay, guys, I'll go ahead and share this. If you want to leave any comments to this project, again, it's in the chat, pinned at the very top of the chat. You can always find it there. You can remix it and find the code there if you missed this. And friends, as always, you can always go back to this video and watch it later on. Make sure to subscribe on youtube.com/CodeSpeak Labs. And I'll see you all next week. Nice. And yeah, say hi to YouTube, say bye to YouTube. Friends, we're gonna end it there. But yeah, if you have any suggestions, what do you want to do for the projects in the future? This past month, we did projects about Pokemon, about a few games, like Disney characters. We did a few projects about, we did a project about Star Wars. We did Finding Nemo. We did the Pokemon theme song. Now we finished a project about traveling. What kind of themes or subjects would you want to do projects about this month? And Nava, you brought it up. It is Pride Month this month, so I want to do something about Pride for sure. But then we have 3 more weeks in this month. What should I do? Please let me know in the chat or on the comments to this video. Fiona Zhang is here. All right, everyone. I'll see you all next week. Bye-bye.